Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the currency on the Craigslist website. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in craigslist.org and press enter. This will then take you into the official Craigslist website in the region based upon your IP address. Now first of all, log into your account by clicking on the account icon at the top right corner and then by using your login credentials. Now once you log into your account, you will be taken back to this homepage from where all you need to do in order to change your currency is to change your region. So look at the very right side and underneath language you will find various regions that you can select. Simply click on the continent or the worldwide selection and then you can choose various countries or region. Simply click on the region that you want to set to and then this will change the Craigslist website to that location. Once your location has been changed, so will your currency. So if you click on the post option from the top right corner and then start making a new post, you will be able to see that the currency has been changed to that country's location as well. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your currency on Craigslist. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.